Ako na yata ang pinakamagandang kalabasa sa mundo. Hi everyone, it's iNovemberain and welcome back into my channel. So anyway, as you can see, I turned myself into a pumpkin. It's not even Halloween yet, but I want to be advanced. So anyway guys, thank you so much for commenting my last video. I really appreciate it. And if you're new into this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification right here so you will get notified every time I post a new video, so you'll become my new best friend. So anyway guys, if you wanna know how I did this kind of look, it is pretty easy. It takes a lot of time, but don't worry, I am gonna time-lapse this video for you guys, and I'm gonna speed a little bit so you don't have to watch all the video. I think the video took only for almost an hour to do this kind of look, so I want to see myself in here. So anyway, I'm so distracted guys. I'm super duper distracted today, and if you want to know how to do this, if you wanna do this makeup look on Halloween, so you can follow this video step by step. before I would I think I forgot to mention to the video that I use Jawbreaker to get the orange. It is really pigmented and I love the color orange. So it says here, this orange right here. So I think look at that, how pigmented that is. So I use this color, and for my black, actually I did not like use a lot of buy a new makeup for this kind of makeup. I did not get a new one. So I use this, the black one in here. Which one? So I use this brush, this one. This is from Chestnut eyes. So if you don't want to spend too much money for this kind of look, because I know there's a lot of makeup palette in the market right now because it's Halloween and it's kind of expensive, so I use what's inside my house. I mean, what's inside my makeup thing in here, so I didn't have to spend too much money. And for the line, I use this. So to have a perfect line in here, like that, the perfect line in here, I use this. This is for your cat eye, and I use my eyebrows to be the my pattern of this one. So it's kind of easy, guys. I promise you, if you want to do this kind of makeup look on Halloween, and then you can do this. It's really easy, and it is really easy to follow. So I want you to watch the video, and if you like this video, guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and share with your friends for the Halloween. So thank you so much. Bye.